Good morning. Here I Go Travel Companies inside Animal Kingdom today, and I'm going to be riding the Kali River Rapids. I don't normally ride this ride because the last several times I have come to Disney, it's been cold. It's been super cold, and there ain't no way I'm getting wet. Cold and wet do not go together. No. It's a little bit warmer today. Sun is out. Should be able to dry quickly. I'm gonna go give it a try. Come with me. Before you enter the Kali River Rapids ride, you have the option of putting items into a locker. Small ones are free for 2 hours. Larger ones, there's a charge for. If you leave your item in there longer than 2 hours, there would be a charge. This is optional. You do not have to put your items in a locker. The only ride currently where you must put your larger items into a locker is Tron and Magic Kingdom. The walk back to the Kali River Rapid ride is lush, shaded, and full of sights and sounds. You can hear the water rushing. It's right through there, through these trees. Let's see if we can get a little peek at a boat going by. I can hear the train bell going, and there's just a lot to look at here. It's so dense and lush that the sun doesn't even hit the sidewalk here. Nice and shady.
When you board one of our crafts, you can look forward to an exciting
Walk out, you will come to a moving platform. It is rotating the same speed as the boat. So the boat's not really moving as compared to the dock. Then you will just the three of us?
Yeah, you can sit
Okay. Okay. Let's sit in a pre-wetted seat. There we go. This ride also has no place to put your belongings in the middle like some of them. Just gonna take a little bit of video here. I don't normally do POV for the ride itself. I can tell you that the seat was already wet when I got here because there's not enough people riding to be in every seat. So the seats are just getting wet each ride. Anyway, I will be putting my phone away, keeping it safe and dry during this ride to show you a little bit of the ride here as we get started. It's not a very long ride. As far as raft rides go, other parks have much longer tours. So let's go ahead and head up this conveyor and get started. I'll see you at the end. All right, here's my after. Hair a little wet, shirt's a little wet. I have a quick dry shirt on. I have my Disney Cruise Line quick dry shirt. I'm gonna move over here to the sun, and I'm at the exit. There is a little bridge here. And you are free to stop and watch the other riders. Not a bad view, huh? From here, you can also see what I call Monkey Island. There was a monkey on this side, and now he's moved to the other side. So, can't see him at the moment. But the fun part up here on the exit bridge is right over here. There's two boxes, and you push the button here, and you control these two elephants. And these elephants spray water on the unsuspecting and seatbelted in riders of the raft. Nothing they can do, nowhere they can go. Let's watch. We've got two people here spraying. It's not a continuous spray, I will say, so you do need to time this just right. If you stand here long enough for enough rafts, you'll get it just right. You'll nail them. You can also notice that these rafts are not full when they're coming by, so people are doing a quick U-turn off the exit and going right back in to ride again. They've already walked back this far to the ride. They're willing to get wet. They're going to go again. Maybe they didn't get wet enough the first time. They need to try again. Okay, here we go. Spray, spray, spray. Okay, so this bridge is very ornately decorated, and I have seen some people walk up from the exit to this bridge to spray with these elephants, but they're not riding, at least that I know of. Okay, so they're just coming back to enjoy spraying other people. Makes for a fun time. But it's bright and sunny today. I've got little water droplets on my sunglasses now. I will dry, despite what you think. I will not melt with water getting on me. I won't. I'll be okay.
Oh, there's two cars. There are two names. They got their own
I'm not even sure there was one person in that raft. They just let it go empty.
3, 2, 1.
Poor riders.